Nice. I got that.
What is up, everyone? Nutri-Grain and I want to wish y'all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We're chilling down here at our pit, our fire pit area. And we got the mini bikes all decorated up. The MB200S full suspension mini bike, fully decorated. The Mudstar. And Old Faithful over here, my 2007 mini Baja. An oldie but a goodie. Yeah, we've been waiting for the snow to fall to get them all decorated up and do the Christmas ride. And the snow is here, so it's time to ride.
Mini bikes in the snow. 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 Do my interview. Yeah. Jingling clutch, rattling chain. Mini bikes in the snow. Yeah, nice to ride them in the snow. Oh yeah, I like seeing all the snow come flying off your tire.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is kind of nice.
I wonder how slippy it's going to be on the turns.
We'll find out. I'll make sure I'm real close, so if you wipe out on the slippies, you know.
Yeah, we got to make it like the Go Power Sports 180.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So we're back out riding in the snow. Got a nice little dusting yesterday and today. So, good to get the bikes out, have a little fun.
Yeah.
Yep. You know, the Massimo tires, they're kind of a mixed bag, you know. In some situations, they're like, oh, I'm gonna fall. But, you know, it's doing really good on this stuff. I'm kind of surprised.
Yeah, I actually am too. You were carving turns yesterday.
Yeah, she does kind of okay. So I'm not saying I don't want knobbies, but, you know, I think these will do for now. Maybe wear them down a little more.
Yeah, could be the case, yeah. They just need to get that top manufacturing compound rubbed off.
Yeah, they got to break into the manufacturer, you know, release compounds, blah, blah, blah. Well, we're in this. Whee! It seems safe enough. Snow flying off your tire, tries to hit me in the face. Yeah. Although I'll say, I don't know if you ever heard me complain about having mud thrown at me, because it's pretty much, do that again! More mud, please! So we had a really cool summer out here. Did couple rides, kayaking, kind of like a newfound activity for me being an Arizona native. You just don't do that out there unless you live close to the water, which nobody really does. So really enjoyed that. Yeah. Would you like to get passed by an MB200S? Cool.
Just the idle's driving, it's an automatic. That's perfect right there. Yeah, it's good to be back here again. Like Nutri-Grain said, we had a blast out in Arizona. We took the Razor out with the Elka suspension, the 29-inch big horns, and the thing's hooked up. And romped around on the trails a whole bunch, and was gonna take him out to a spot, and I was just like, oh wait, Andersonville, because Dirty Money loves mining. He watches all the gold shows and whatnot, and so I was like, Andersonville's right up his alley. So I took him out there. We had a blast. I unlocked the achievement of climbing to the top. Spun the pulley by hand. One full rotation. It's pretty heavy. Takes a little effort. But yeah, it was a great time out there. Took the Mini 3 up. Did a humongously long flight. And it literally came back and landed with 16%. And I went out of range. And it had to do the backtrack on its own, which was a great feature they added. So yeah, man, I love when we get to ride in the snow. First time for the Mini Baja here. You'd think with a name like Mini Baja, it might be a little adverse to the snow, but I think it's taken to it. It's got kind of a new little squeaky sound, but that's all right. So, yeah, I mean, when it's cold, my nose drips, so. Indeed. Well, your decorations look great. Try to get out and maybe get a night ride in here so you can see the lights a bit better.
Wanted to give you all a peek at the lights here in a little bit of a darker setting here. Nutrigrain's Mudstar, all lit up, decorated up. The Mini Baja went for an excessive amount of lights. Because that's what you do when you decorate with Christmas lights. You don't just put one or two on, you put a ton of them on. We're thinking of taking them out and doing another quick ride here and see how they look at night with the GoPro.
Mini bikes. I love Christmas. I love snow. But I really like mini bikes during Christmas with snow.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Woohoo! Yeah.
Our first ever cool bike snow ride.
This is first dual mini bikes in the snow, decorated for Christmas. Booyah! Yeah. Look at a little track here. Yeah. Yeah. Truck Noah mowed this out for us at the end of the season. It's kind of nice. Good for mini bikes, apparently.
Yeah.
And the deer and the coyotes have been taking it too. Apparently. Yeah, we've seen some evidence of some of the wildlife. Oh, he's going for it, y'all. He's going for it. Oh boy. Yeah, the lights look really good. It's cool because your tail lights just kind of are right in line with it, so they just look like they're part of it.
That's cool.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, like I throw my leg down to indicate as my blinker which way I'm going. When I'm in the lead, it helps. Yeah, oh, were you now?
Oh, I was.
Evidence, I'm gonna see it, evidence. I'll say these lights are, they actually, I can see them quite well even with my headlights, so we'll see how that comes out in the footage, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, here's Lego Novice is the bomb. I'm still needing to get new tires. It could be a Christmas gift, it could be just, you have a mini bike, so here you go, kind of thing. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. I like it. I like it a lot. you want me to follow you or park forward?
It's cool having the headsets, though, I'll say. Oh, look at those Christmas lights, brighter than ever. Oh, especially on the turns. Yeah, yeah, mini bikes in the snow. Oh yeah, you're booking. Those are... Yeah, it was. Yeah, those are fully suspended lights on the back there. Yeah, we're so thankful for God's gift to us of His Son, and I'm super thankful to be out here now, to be able to ride in the snow with the mini bikes. We made it here safe. I don't know if we mentioned it, but we overloaded the trailer bringing it out here, and when we got out here, we emptied it out, and everything was fine, and we parked it behind the house. And after the first freeze, we went out, and one of the leaf springs snapped in half, and the axle was sick, cockeyed. So I'm telling you, the Lord held our trailer together so that we could make it here, because it was done for once we parked it. And I'm telling you, like, my truck's only got a V6 in it, and like, we were doing like 85, and it was so overloaded I could only go in third gear. So imagine I cleaned the carbon out. Yeah, but yeah, that was a wild ride out here, wild move. But I thank the Lord to be back, and thank Him for keeping us safe. Well, this is fantastic. I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, it is. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. Super cold. All right, folks. I really appreciate you watching and being with us on this Christmas ride. Hope you enjoyed the video and all the lights and the decorations. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.